Okay, so the first time I tried to start the car, I primed the pump and we had a fuel leak at the fuel pressure regulator, so I fixed that.
See that going on in his face? Not happy about it.
The second time that I tried to start the car, I fixed the fuel pressure regulator, so that's not an issue. But I found out that my battery terminal had a poor connection, which was actually a recurring problem on the old car, so I fixed that, and now we have a good connection at the battery. So, third time's a charm.
I'm just gonna back up a little bit. You know, for safety. Fire extinguisher handy. Do a countdown.
You'll know it.
Okay.
That's okay.
It lives. Heart transplant complete.
Ah!